Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sea bass. First, select high-quality sea bass fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick, ensuring they are fresh. Pat the fish completely dry using paper towels to promote a crispy skin. Season both sides generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. You might also want to add a sprig of fresh thyme or a dash of lemon zest for an extra layer of flavor. For a perfectly crispy skin, pan-searing is an excellent method. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the sea bass fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until the skin turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes wonderfully crisp. Then, flip the fish and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until it is opaque throughout. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, roasting yields incredibly tender and flaky sea bass. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil a baking sheet or an oven-safe dish to prevent sticking. Place the seasoned fillets on the prepared sheet. Roast for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness. The fish is perfectly cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and flakes easily with a fork. Once your sea bass is cooked to perfection, allow it to rest for about 2 minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for brightness. It pairs wonderfully with roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a crisp garden salad. A simple drizzle of extra virgin olive oil or a light butter sauce can elevate the dish even further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.